tutorial. So in the last class we have started conditional statements, right? Yes, in the last class we have discussed about 3 of the conditional statements, and we are having still 2. So those 2 will be discussed in today's class. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. Hope you all are doing good. If you are watching this channel for the first time, watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into this video. So first, now we are having nested if and shorthand if operators in conditional statements in today's class. So we are going to discuss these in today's class. Okay, now let's get into this nested if. See, nested if is nothing but there will be an if inside another if. See, I'll be explaining you here. Okay, yes. See, now we are having let's see with this example, because here we do not have a definition at all, so you cannot read. So just focus on my explanation. At the time I will be giving you this PDF, the link of the PDF. I will be editing this PDF and providing you the definition here. Okay, so for this class just focus on my explanation. Okay, yes. So see, nested if means, see, in this example we are having, see here we are having if, right? Let me erase this. As you can see, yes, nested if, here we are having an if statement, and this is the condition we are having, right? X is greater than 0. And next we are having another if statement with condition inside this. See, here we are having indentation, right? As I have said you before, here we are having indentation. So that is the reason. So that why indentation is present, because this if will be inside this if statement. If this is true, then this condition will be checked. Okay, and after that this will be printed. If only these 2 statements were correct, means true, this will be executed. If this statement is true, false, then this won't be checked and the loop comes out. The control comes out of this loop, right? These will be skipped. These 2 lines will be skipped. Okay, then if this is true, okay, yes, if this is true, okay, let me change the color as you can understand easily. Yes, if this is true and this is false, then this won't be executed, and the control comes directly to outside of this block. Okay, yes, this will be not executed at all. Okay, and if that's it, if both are true, then this will be executed. Okay, yes, that's all for this nested if. And let's understand this with an example. I'll be giving another somewhat big example so you can understand. Let's go to Python compiler. Now X, yes, let me take the input from user by writing enter an integer. Okay, yes, after this let me write if x greater than 0 and if x percent 3 equals to 0. This is nothing but x will be we are checking that x is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so if x is divisible by 3, it is a positive integer which is divisible by 3. That's all. Yes, right? This is a type of example which we see here. See, it is same as this, right? But this is a positive even number, but here we are having positive integer which is divisible by 3. Okay, so after running Yes, we have to enter an integer, right? So let me enter an integer 23. Yes, see, nothing is executed because see 23, it is greater than 0. Yes, it entered into this loop, and but it is not divisible by 3. So the control directly came from this to this outside the loop, right? Yes, that's why here we do not have any statement, so nothing was executed. Okay, yes, that's all. Now let me give another integer which is divisible by 3, which is 21. Okay, yes, it is a positive integer which is divisible by 3, right? Now let me give some negative integer. Same output will be there, like there will be no, yes, there will be nothing here, nothing printed here, because it is a negative number, minus 21, right? Yes. Now let me recreate this one. See, yes, we are having this, but here let me implement if else. We have learnt about if else, right? See, if this is true, then this will be executed. If this wasn't true, then this will be executed. Print it is positive but not divisible by 3. Okay, yes. Now let me run this and see 23 again. Yes, it is positive but not divisible by 3. Okay, yes, but if we give a negative value, see, now this is true, it entered, but this is false, so this else statement was executed. Okay, yes. Now let me give some negative value like minus 34. Yes, nothing is printing, so let me remake this. Okay, yes. uh, if this is true, this whole block will be executed, right? But if it is false, then what we can do, we can write simply else, and let me print it is a negative integer, right? Now let me run and give a negative number. Yes, it is a negative integer, we have printed it, right? Yes, that's all for this video, means that's all for this topic, nested if. So I hope you all are understood with this basic example and this somewhat bigger example. Yes, now next we are having shorthand if. Shorthand if, let me explain it. Shorthand if is also known as ternary operator. Okay, yes, ternary operator is nothing but, see, here we are having example x equals to 7, x is 7 is assigned to x, then, and in next line we are having this result equals to even. If this condition is true, result is equals to even, and if else means if this condition is not true, then it is odd. Yes, this, see, to write an if else, see, we are having these 4 lines, right? But instead of writing it in 4 lines, here we are writing it in 1 line itself. That is nothing but shorthand if. So let me execute let me remake this as shorthand if, as it is having like this. So the statement first, and after that the condition, and next we are having else and the statement again. Okay, so now, yes, before this we have to have statement. So let me what have it like that only, and let me take this and and let me take this line. Yes, let me take this line to here. Right? Yes. Here, this, if this, and we are having else, right? How we are having here? See, this is a statement. Yes. Yes, we are having statement here. And then we are having if along with condition, else, and then statement again. And then we are having if along with condition, and next we should be have this else part. Else along with, no, let me take line by line. Let me take this part first. Yes. After that, let me remove it and let me zoom out as we cannot see it. Yes. Now take this line and put it here. Yes. Oh, let me close this up. Yes. Now we can see it, right? Oh, what happened? Yes. Now it is cool. See, now you can see all that if else statement was executed in one line itself. Now let me run this and see whether we are getting an output or not. Oh, before that, okay, yes, stop it. And before that, let me remove all these spaces. Yes. Now yes, now let me run. Yes, after running, now I have to give 21. Yes, it is a positive integer which is divisible by 3. We are getting the output, right? How means, see, we have just given that what line of code in only one line itself. See, here itself we are having the print statement which is to be printed if this condition is true, and then we are having else part also. If that condition is false, this will be executed. Yes. So this is nothing but shorthand if, which is also known as ternary operator. Okay, I think you have understood it very well. And here also indentation is crucial, right? See, here we are having a statement. Unlike other languages that use curly braces to denote blocks, Python uses indentation. Yes. Just see, I have already said you this example when we are discussing about simple if here, right? So see, if true, this will be executed. If not, if okay, this statement will be always executed because it is outside the if loop. So it this statement has what, no use of this, means this condition is not required for this statement to execute. It runs always. Okay. Yes, that is all about conditional statements. I hope you have understood all in this video, and if you have any doubts, comment down below this video. I'll be watching them and clearing your doubts easily. And if you want any other topics, you can comment down the topic of that video that should be done by me, and I'll be doing it in further classes. So if you want some specific programming language or some specific topic in the programming language, you can comment me down, and you give the topic name you want the explanation on. So I'll be looking it and I'll be doing the video as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all for this video, and if you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to this channel, Easy Engineering. That's all.